Assalamu alaikum everyone, and I hope you're doing good, man. And welcome to today's Shib update for 12th of November, Friday, and it's another new beginning. And we want to talk about if the bottom is already in, just right there. Quickly, if you're not on YouTube, you can go to YouTube, searching for Adam Coins, and I'm on Share Vision as well. You can look me and find me out there. Now, the question is with YouTube, guys, is not YouTube. Oh my goodness, with Shib today is. What's next? What's gonna happen now? Now there's something positive about SHIB right now, and we might just not get this price target of 3500 for the people who are waiting, and that's the reason why I told you guys start buying from this area. And if you actually started buying from this area, you're making a nice good profit of a price appreciation there for like 24%. That's a 24% trade. Okay, so if you enter with 50% of your money, just as I said it back in the videos as well, you might have made a 20 to 24%, which is a good profit is profit. Nothing hurts with profits, man. And yeah, there's one level of resistance I do see, and I'm on the daily time frame, and there's something positive, and the structure is kind of reversing itself, and I think this is the correction, and I do think now this is your bottom, and the bottom has been in because it's starting to make some bullish reversal. Okay, it's not showing any sign of going towards the downside. And I'm going to discuss with you this trend line right there. Yes, it is still a barrier up here, but we're going to talk about that in a moment. Okay, there is one level of support that I actually do see right there. If I draw this trend line, do you see that it is respecting this trend line for a very long time? It came down just a week and pulls towards the upside, another week pulled toward the upside, and yes, we have some few touches there. So this level is maintained now on the daily time frame. Okay, not on the 4-hour, not on the 1-hour, but the daily time frame. If you start seeing SHIB actually losing this support, come down, fail the retest, you could go down to 3500. You could go to 3500, but it's very, very clear that you have found a very strong base out of this area. Okay, now let's talk about the EMAs as well. I'm going to turn on the EMAs very quickly, and we are respecting the 20 EMA. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit there, and you can see that SHIB is bouncing from the 20 EMAs. Okay, and right now it's starting to actually find a way to cross the 10, hold the support, and continue towards the upside as well. Now, yesterday I told you about this critical level, which is the 5717, and that's the 0.618 of the Fibonacci retracement. So I'm gonna just hide the EMAs. I'm gonna take the fibs, lay the fibs from the top there to the recent bottom, just like that. And I told you that that was not this 0.618. The golden ratio is this one. Actually, I did something wrong. Okay, this was not what I wanted to take. I'm gonna dive into the 4-hour time frame, and I'm gonna see things based on the 4-hour time frame at the moment. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm basically gonna take this top right there to the bottom, this one. This is what I wanted to take. Okay, so I'm gonna lay the fibs from the top there to the bottom, just like that. Yeah, and this, I'm gonna zoom in, and guys, let's talk about this one on the shorter time frame. Okay, we are finding a very strong support at the 0.382, and that's positive. Okay, if you start losing the 0.382, you might even go and roll down to the 5000 level. Do you understand that? No, so I don't think it's a good time to sell anything. You can hold it, you can trade it, and we're kind of making if the next candle opens green like this in the next 4 hours, this candle actually opens up in the next 1 hour. Okay, in the next 1 hour. So if you go green, you're going to make something known as a morning star, and that's actually very bullish. Okay, so at the moment we're finding rejection at the 5739 area, which is the golden ratio, which I told you so many times, guys. This is what I want to see crossed, and it has not been crossed just yet. And if you cross this one, okay, that's going to put you to go back to 8,151, and you're going to find a resistance here, maybe come back and roll down. Okay, so yeah, at the moment it's looking good. It's looking quite good. It's looking like it wants to go back up. It is looking like that. Now I'm going to shift back into the other drawing as well, and we're going to talk about this one because there is a trend line that I was talking about. Look, this is very, very, very positive. Yesterday I told you guys what I want to see for SHIB is you break out of this symmetrical triangle, and that's good. Now by default, guys, I do think the bottom is in and you're not gonna go any further down. Okay, it is what it is, and that's a good thing if you're holding SHIB. Nothing to worry about. And this was a very, very big symmetrical triangle. Do you see that? And this has been broken out, and that's what we wanted with SHIB. Do you understand that? Now at the moment it seems like it broke out and it's coming down for the retest. When you break out of something, come down for the retest, it's looking good. And as a matter of fact, you have a very, very strong base right there. Okay, so if you ever even try to roll down just there, you're gonna find a level of support down near the 4816 level. Okay, so for me it's now less likely to go to the 3500, but the good thing is I told you to buy from this area. The first buying target was here, and yeah, that's like what percentage drop is this? You know, from the all-time high there to this drop right there, that's like 47% drop. Okay, almost a 50%, which means if you had $1,000, you just turned $1,000 to $500. Okay, you just lost 50% of your money, and 50% for the traders is a discount. We love discounts. Okay, we love to we love to go shopping, you know, take our money out, go to the shopping. Okay, it's like a Black Friday on crypto. Okay, so SHIB was actually absolutely cheap down there, and for the people who entered, congratulations. Okay, you're already 24% up right there, and I don't think there's anything to worry. We broke out of this symmetrical triangle and everything is looking just amazing at the moment. Okay, so I'm gonna shift back to the old one here, and it's looking positive. A lot of things are looking positive. And what else can we talk about in there? Can we turn on the EMAs on the 4-hour time frame as well, so we can see any more clues? Okay, on the 4-hour time frame we are struggling to get above the EMAs. Okay, and we are struggling to get to the 0.618 as well, which I think we're gonna do, because we have already started making a reversal towards the upside. Okay, so no need to sell, no need to panic sell. And for me personally, I do think this is your bottom. You've already set the bottom. I don't think SHIB is going to start to go any more below, but if it starts going down, okay, because we're not out of the water yet, remember this, you still have to cross the golden ratio, which is 5739. Yes, we've broken out of the symmetrical triangle, but this one is an icing on the cake if it crosses the 5739 to confirm, breakout and hold it as well, and then continue. Okay, I don't want to fake out. You don't want to cross this and then make a fake out and roll back down. So I'm going to tell you another level of resistance or support that you do not want to lose. Okay, and that level is the 4320. If you see SHIB rolling down, losing this level, and it loses this level, then you're likely to dump down to this area, and that's another perfect buying opportunity to move towards the upside to nearly the 13,000 region area. Okay, now let's say this was your bottom right there. Okay, so I'm going to take this recent high and the recent low right there. Okay, and we're going to talk about this one in details and where SHIB can go in the next impulsive wave. Okay, so the next by the way, these are known as the corrective waves. Okay, and these are known as impulsive wave. Okay, if you're confused what it is, when we're going down and correcting, this is known as corrective phase, and from here when you climb back up, that's an impulsive wave. Now, considering that this was your all-time high top there and this is your local bottom right there, it still has a lot of work to do. Go back to the 6733, cross the 6733, and you're good to go nearly the 13,000 region. Okay, so that could be your next target by December probably, or by the end of the bull market. Who knows? Okay, and that's if you enter right now, if you want to hold and enter, that's almost nearly 154%. And if you ever enter at the 3,500, let's say it ever gives you that discount, okay, that's almost nearly $290. Okay, so that's it for today's SHIB update. It was a little bit overextended, but I had to do this one because I do see some similar patterns, and this is what we do in the channel. Yeah, I like transparency, and yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good to go towards the upside right now. It has less chance to go towards that area once again. Okay, so You can start buying, in my opinion, and you can hold it. You can hold it even if it goes down. Don't panic sell. Don't sell to the whales, okay? As I always say. And one more thing before I actually leave, and that's is you guys have been requesting me to, make a Telegram group or a Discord server. So I'm gonna leave the Discord server link for you guys to join, and we can talk about many different coins on the Discord as well. So you can click the link in the description for the Discord link, okay? And yeah, so that's it. So that's it for today's SHIB update. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with a new video update. Allah Hafiz.